It began with an idea inspired by the Police Unity Tour in America, an idea that will bring together police officers, staff and supporters here in the UK to remember those who made the ultimate sacrifice. The Police Unity Tour has three simple but powerful purposes: to remember those who have died in the line of duty, to show their families that their loved ones will never be forgotten, and to raise vital funds for care of police survivors, supporting the families left behind. The first UK Police Unity Tour took place in 2013. What began with a small group of dedicated riders has grown into a nationwide movement. Today, 19 chapters ride across the United Kingdom, with hundreds of people coming together every year. But this isn't simply a bike ride. Every mile has a meaning. Every rider carries a name. And behind every name is a person who served their community, a family, and a story that must never be forgotten. This is about remembrance. This is about family. This is about unity. The hundreds of riders came together for one shared purpose: to remember, to support, and to never forget. But the journey doesn't end here. Next year, the Police Unity Tour will ride again. Come and support them, get involved, and help make sure the families of our fallen officers know that their sacrifice will never be forgotten.
The UK Police Unity Tour 2026 has raised, as it stands, £250,000. I'd like to ask Lisa Mees to come and join me so we can present the cheque.